Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing some Jamaican curry chicken. Very easy to prepare but yet so delicious. For my supporters, appreciate each and every one of you even during my time of absence. I see you guys. My channel members, thank you guys so much. First time came across this channel, please tap that subscribe button and join the family. So let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. Okay, here I have some chicken already cut to the size of my desired, and I washed with lime and vinegar. And here's a variety of seasoning I'll be using. They'll be on the screen and also in the description box below. And I'm going to season this well, add my fresh seasoning and put to marinate, and we'll come back then.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing.
Okay guys, here we have add all the fresh seasoning. Now we're just going to add some cooking oil. That helps so the curry stick to the chicken. And we're just going to rub, season well, cover and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Okay, then we'll come back to the other step for cooking.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Here we'll come to a very important step when cooking curry. You have to burn your curry, okay? So here I'm adding a small amount of oil, and I'm going to add my variety of curry and turmeric. And we're just going to stir that in our pot for a minute or so. Then we add our seasoned chicken. Mix to combine in the pot, or stir to combine. Cover your pot and allow it to sweat. Don't add water at this stage. Cover the pot and allow it to sweat. At another side of the stove or somewhere, plug your kettle in or add some water in another pot so you can use it to cook your curry. Okay? We'll come back then. Keep on watching.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. home, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
As you just see, guys, I've added my hot water. Now I'm going to cover back my pot and allow it to finish cook. Here I have carrot and potato. The carrot was a request, so there you go, and I'm just going to cut those in chunks, set aside so we can put it in our curry. Okay, so just keep on watching.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
And here we have come to the final step. We're adding the potato and the carrots. We're just going to stir that, allow it to boil a little. Then you taste and adjust if needed. And just allow your potatoes to cook and your sauce to thicken. This can be served with ground food, white rice, rice and peas. Ready to serve? Yes. Here I've changed the camera angle so you can see the real color of the curry. And thank you guys so much for the support. Really appreciate you guys a lot. And I'm going to serve this with some caramel dumpling, boiled cassava and sweet potato. And as I mentioned, you can use white rice with this, rice and peas. So yes guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this one or learned something, please like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if by accident you came across this channel for the first time, please tap the subscribe button and join the family. Until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.